When it comes back inside and turns red, that is your short signal. All right. I want to go back to the NASDAQ trade, guys, because there was one thing I forgot to mention on this video, which is quite interesting. I mentioned it on Friday video about the drop and what we were looking for back early Friday morning, and we were talking about this ending diagonal pattern. Ending diagonals, end moves, and you have a trend line coming over the top, trend line coming. I hope this is good teaching for you anyway. You know, understand ending diagonal patterns because they can be very rewarding as well. And this is a trend line above the highs, trend line coming up the lows, and we get, you know, price squeezing towards the apex here of this pattern. And normally what happens with ending diagonals is that you get a thrust, fast price action through the high of the trend line, and when it comes back inside, I was talking to the students at retreat, when it comes back inside and turns red, that is your short signal. All right, so the key for an ending diagonal pattern is trend lines merging, okay, running up an uptrend up the lows. And remember, a trend line has to have 2 points of reference, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 at the highs up here. All right, now with an ending diagonal like this, price loves to get back to the start of it, which is here where I started that trend line. But if that's the case, ending diagonals end moves. So if that's the case, then the NASDAQ should be seeing prices down here, as I said earlier. Okay,